Right, today we're going to bring a PlayStation holder, and this is actually going to go underneath my desk here because I have too many wires. I don't have enough space on the top. It's completely full. So we're going to put the PlayStation right in the front of it here in the desk. And they give you plenty of cables and all that stuff. And I'm remodeling in here, so this is perfect. I can move my desk because my desk has wheels, and it's going to move along with my PlayStation. So let's go ahead and set this up. They give you the screws, and they even give you the main screw that goes right underneath the PlayStation 5. So, which is good because I just took mine off here. If you guys can see the PlayStation 5, this actually attaches pretty good on one side. So it's about a little bit under 15 and a half. I decided not to put it in front because I don't want to hit it with my legs. So we're gonna put it in the back right here of the desk. So, which is perfect. It makes sense. So when I move the desk, and thank God I have a raised desk because I'm able to do this very simple. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, I have it ready up in the back. It's sturdy enough. We're gonna set up the PlayStation 5, which is sitting right here, and we're gonna secure it with the actual screws in the back. So this is perfect. I'm gonna remove this, move it to the right, and we should be good. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I got it set up. If you guys notice, this is the screw right here. Down here, I tied it up. It's underneath my desk now. If you guys can see, my desk's right here. So I'm gonna have it here. It won't move permanent. Look at that. It's actually really tight from this side. So it is fit to the right size. It's a little off here, but you can't do anything about it. But it's hanging on through here, the screw. And it won't fall because it's hard to get out and hard to put back in. So I had to measure it exactly the same size. It took me a couple of tries, but I got it through. It's not going to be in the way now. I can move my whole desk. It's off the ground, so in case there's any water flood or anything like that, it's up here. So we're going to set it up. We're going to turn it on, see how well it works. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.